Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mr. Ketana Intawong. You can call me Nu. I was born in Luang Prabang, a World Heritage City. But I moved to Vientiane when I was only 2 years old. I live in Vientiane for good now. I am from a family of 5. I have 2 siblings and I am the middle one. I am married with 3 children. Now I live with my own family.
Good.
As for my education, I graduated with a bachelor's degree in architecture from the National University of Laos. I am currently improving my English skill at Humphrey Center. Before that, I studied English for years. Recently, I took a private class with a native English private tutor. I decided to take specialized courses at Humphrey Center to better round out my English communication skills so that I can improve my self-confidence when communicating in English publicly. As far as my work experience is concerned, I have 24 years of my work experience in the field of design and construction. I am currently self-employed as a freelance architect. Regarding my hobbies, I am a big fan of gardening and working out at the gym to sustain a healthy lifestyle. Alright everyone, that's all about me. Thank you for listening.
Good job. Well done.